everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we are making ground pork stir-fry with long beans. It's funny, my family makes this dish often. It's so basic and easy that I didn't even think of making a video until someone else mentioned it to me, and I was like, oh yeah, why didn't I? Here's the recipe.
400 grams of asparagus beans. Discard the top stem part and roughly dice them into 1/3 of an inch pieces. It is also known as Chinese yard long beans because they have these strikingly long bean pods. They don't taste as sweet as the green beans, but you can use green beans as a replacement if you don't have access to buy it. These are Thai-style bird-eye chilies, super hot. I will use 6 pieces. Dice them as well. If you don't eat spicy food, you can use red bell pepper. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Crush them first so they are easy to peel. Dice them finely. Five to 6 thinly sliced ginger. Dice it finely. Get your wok ready. Heat it up a little bit. Add a drizzle of cooking oil and toss in the diced long beans, chilies, garlic, and ginger. Stir them on medium heat for a few minutes or until all the aromatics are fragrant. Then add the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Keep stirring until the diced long beans are cooked through. You can give it a try. Once you don't taste that distinctly beany flavor, you can push them to the side and toss in 250 grams of ground pork. Turn the heat to high and use your spatula to break up any big chunks of meat. It should be nice and loose. We don't want any meat patties. Once you don't see any pink color, the pork is cooked through. Mix everything together. Also, I want to explain the reason why I add the seasoning so early. You should give the long beans enough time to absorb the flavor. If you add the seasonings at the end, the ground meat will take in all the flavor, so you will end up with extra salty pork and the long beans will not have any flavor. Give it a taste to see if you need to adjust the flavor. Mine does need a dash of salt. I also add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce to make the color deeper. Give it a final toss. Take it out and you are done. That's it. Chinese stir-fry recipes are mostly quick and easy. Despite the simple ingredients and easy preparation, this dish came out surprisingly flavorful, and it goes really well with the white rice. We also like to serve it as a topping for congee or noodle soup. If my grandmom harvests lots of green beans, she'll make this like every day for weeks. Nobody will complain because it's super delicious, and my grandmom would switch around the meat with chicken or beef to make it more interesting. Sometimes she will throw in some basil leaves to punch up the flavor. When the long beans are out of season, she will make it with pickled long beans, which is also incredibly delicious. You know, home recipes are like that. You just do whatever you want.
I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, don't forget to check the description where you can find all the links, including the printable recipe, the related videos, the purchase link for special ingredients if you don't know where to buy them, or the tools that I have used in this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!